This is the second part of the GDS3710.
Today we will show you the wiring connections and diagrams as well as the basic configurations. So, let's begin. So basically, we will be showing how to configure GDS3710 to a Grandstream IP video phone. For instance, GXV3275. First, let us connect a LAN cable to the device and plug it into an RJ45 PoE port. This could be a PoE switch or wall port. To power up the device, connect the positive and negative transmit and positive and negative receive to its corresponding color of wire and wiring label. This time around, we will be configuring GDS3710 and GXV3275 via web GUI. Please note that in this configuration, we will use IP calling under the same network, so no SIP server is required. First, go to www.grandstream.com, then go to Tools under Support, look for GS Search and Download. This tool enables us to find GDS3710 IP address in a DHCP network setup. You can access the device via double click upon finding the device in the GS search, or you can manually type it in the browser. So upon entering the IP address of the device in the browser, use admin as the username, and the password could be seen at the back of the device if no other password has been set up yet. As for this example, we have the password ready in our notepad. Under Basic Settings, Indoor System Settings, enter the IP address and SIP port of the phone, which will receive the call when doorbell is pressed. For instance, our GXV3275 is 192.168.1.186. We have successfully accessed our GXV3275, and let us put it here in the GDS3710. Save and wait for the data to be successful. Under SIP Advanced Settings and SIP Settings, make sure that local SIP port matches with the other device to receive the call. Also, enable direct IP call. Then, click Save. On GXV3275 side, enable the account and check for the local SIP port if it matches the GDS3710. Always remember to click Save, then Apply. Now, let us check for the local SIP port of the GXV3275. It also reflected here that the SIP port is 5060. Once again, Click Save, then Apply. And now we're done with our configuration. Let us take a look at how the live view functions here in our GDS3710. So using our Chrome browser, unfortunately we can access the GDS3710. So we have to use the CMonkey browser instead. The same way, we have to input the IP address of the GDS3710, 192.168.1.18. Also with the same username and the password, admin, then the password that we have in our notepad. So here, we can select any of the 3 channels we wanted to view. So for instance, we have channel 1. And here, we can see that the GDS is functioning well in terms of its camera functionality. Now, let us see how it works. Thank you all for watching.
We hope you learned something from this video.
Subscribe to this channel for more Alloy Tech Talk, and please leave a comment for the next topic you want.
See you again for more videos and tutorials. Bye!